Today, I'm sharing some of the best free Office Suite alternatives that aren't Microsoft Office, so you can boost your productivity without spending a dime. Let's get started. First up is Zoho Workplace. This all-in-one platform gives you Writer, Sheet, and Show for documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Zoho's AI assistant, Zia, can help you write smarter, analyze data, and even automate repetitive tasks, all right inside your browser. Next, check out ONLYOFFICE Personal. It's a cloud-based suite that also offers free desktop apps. ONLYOFFICE supports collaborative editing and comes with AI-powered plugins for things like instant translation, text summarization, and even grammar correction. Another pick is FreeOffice by SoftMaker. It's a lightweight, free suite for Windows, Mac, and Linux with TextMaker, PlanMaker, and presentations. While it's simple and fast, you can enhance it with third-party AI tools for grammar checking and document formatting. Don't overlook Etherpad. This open-source web-based editor is perfect for real-time collaboration. While Etherpad itself is minimal, you can add plugins for AI-powered features like auto-summarization and smart suggestions, making teamwork even smoother. Finally, try Crypt Pad. It's a privacy-focused open-source suite with rich text, spreadsheets, and slides. Crypt Pad now offers AI-assisted writing and translation tools, all while keeping your data encrypted and secure. So, if you're looking to ditch Microsoft Office, these free alternatives have you covered, with some impressive AI tricks up their sleeves. If you found this helpful, you won't want to miss my next video, 5 best free AI tools every content creator needs. I'll be sharing the latest, most powerful AI tools that can level up your content game, save you time, and spark your creativity, all without spending a cent. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.